Good morning, it's Michael from the Urban Homestead Academy. Hope you're well today. One of the things we do at the Homestead Academy, we're exploring all things food security. And a lot of time when we talk about food security, we do talk about personal food security. But another thing we can think about is community-based food security. And everyone's got different skills. Maybe someone's got time but haven't got the ability to grow food. Maybe someone's got the ability to grow food but haven't got the time. So what we're doing this morning, we've grown a lot of plants and we've got too many. So what we're going to do this morning is we're going to drop these off to the community centre, and that just helps the community centre be far more self-sufficient with their food as well. So really it's a bit of a combination of helping people, helping one another in a community-based effort. So the other day we showed a video, we planted some of these plants at our daughter's place, and we're just heading off to the community garden now and to do some work there. So we've just dropped those seedlings off at our local community garden. Actually, we're quite blessed around here because we've actually got 3 local community gardens within 10 or 15 minutes of us here, so it's really great actually. But food security, it's not just a singular effort, it's a joint effort. So if you can grow your own food, that's great, but you can always go somewhere like a community garden, and community gardens are just fantastic for getting together with like-minded people. You're learning new skills. If you haven't got the skills, you learn off other people. If you've got a bit of spare time, but you haven't got the space in your own garden, you go to your local community garden, you help them out there. You can even, like at the one we just went to, they hire some beds, but there's also collective beds where you can share space. So definitely community gardens are the way to go. And we've got some few things that we're going to drop off in a couple of weeks' time. We've got some kidney beans that we're growing on here, some peppers and some other things. So we're growing here on the homestead site and just dropping them off at some of the community gardens and helping them out. So those couple of trays we just dropped off then, we just worked out roughly there's about $100 worth of seedlings there. Tomato plants, there's some zucchinis, there's some beans, there's some cauliflower, some cabbage. So that really helps them out. So just keep that in mind, that food security is not just about individual food security, it's about community-based food security, and that means it's a joint effort. Anyway, so God bless and have a great day. See you next time.